30,000 feet above ground, there's no room for error. When a plane goes down, it's not just metal that breaks, it's trust, it's families, it's history. Behind every Airbus disaster lies a chilling story of confusion, failure, and human cost. These aren't just crashes, they're turning points in aviation. This is Flight Unlocked, and these are the 5 deadliest Airbus tragedies that shook the skies. Number 5. July 3rd, 1988. Iran Air Flight 655, a tragedy triggered by war. A routine flight from Bandar Abbas to Dubai, 290 people on board, and in mere minutes, all lost. Why? Because the U.S. Navy mistook an Airbus A300 for a fighter jet and launched a missile. It's not just the deadliest Airbus crash, it's one of the most controversial shoot-downs in aviation history. Number 4. September 28, 1992. Pakistan International Airlines Flight 268, a flight lost in the clouds. A calm descent into Kathmandu turns deadly. The Airbus A300 crashes into a mountainside. No survivors among the 167 on board. The cause? A miscalculated descent path and zero visibility. This crash redefined terrain awareness systems worldwide. Number 3. November 12, 2001. American Airlines Flight 587, tailspin over New York, just 2 months after 9/11. A second major crash hits New York. Flight 587 takes off from JFK and plunges into Queens. 265 people perish. An overreaction by the co-pilot to wake turbulence caused the tail to snap clean off. A devastating lesson in rudder design and training. Number 2. June 1st, 2009. Air France Flight 447 vanished into the Atlantic. A state-of-the-art Airbus A330 disappears over the Atlantic. 228 lives, gone without a trace. For 2 years, no one knew what really happened. The cause? Ice crystals blocked sensors, and the pilots, confused by faulty data, unknowingly stalled the plane into the ocean. Before we reveal number 1, if you love aviation stories, hit subscribe and stay unlocked with us. Number 1. March 24th, 2015. Germanwings, Flight 9525, The Unthinkable Act. A shocking turn of events. The co-pilot locks the captain out of the cockpit and deliberately crashes the Airbus A320 into the French Alps. 150 lives lost not to malfunction, but to human intent. The tragedy led to immediate reforms in cockpit protocols and mental health screenings. Each of these crashes changed aviation forever. Hard lessons, unforgiving skies, and stories that remind us flying may be safe. But it was written in sacrifice. If you found this video insightful, subscribe to Flight Unlocked for more aviation deep dives, and hit that bell, we have more stories to uncover.